Hi guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little guitar tutorial. So I have multiple guitar videos. If you want to see that, click the I. But today's tutorial is We'll Never Have Sex by Leith Ross. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so first of all, your guitar will need to be tuned to drop D tuning, which basically just means that the top note or the lowest note is tuned to a D instead of an E. So this is what it sounds like. That's the drop D tuning. It's just, and we're only using the top 3 strings, so we're just using those 3. So to start it off, you're going to be using your thumb, your pointer finger, and your middle finger, and you're going to be strumming the little thing like that. Top, middle, bottom, top, middle, bottom, top, middle. But we're going to be adding our little fingers. So we'll be doing top, middle, bottom, top, and then you're going to be placing your finger on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret, like that. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 1. And then you'll move your finger up to the 4th fret on the 2nd string and play it like this. And then you'll release. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, and then you'll just slide right up and release. So then after you do this, you release, then you go 1, 2, 3, and then you place your middle or your pointer finger down on the 2nd fret again. Then you slide up to the 4, and then you release. So it will sound like. So you just did. So that's how it will be. I'll do it really slow for you. So that's basically just the strumming of almost the whole thing. There's just a tiny bit of little different sprinkled in there. So that's the first verse. Deep pollute me, pretty baby, suck the rot right out of my bloodstream. Oh, dilute me, gentle angel, water down what I called being grateful. And then it goes, oh, you kissed me, just to kiss me, not to take me home. It will go, you'll strum these notes with open strings, and then you'll use your 3 pointer middle finger, and you'll do a little, it's an A shape, but you'll press down on the top 3 strings, like that. And then I switch my hand, so you can do this with your ring finger on top, so that you then switch up to the 5th fret, but your pointer finger stays on this 4th fret. So it will sound like, so, not to take me home, it was simple, you were sweetness. So back to that thing that we just learned. So the little 1, 2, 3, and 1. And then you'll go 5th fret, 7th fret, open. So it will be, oh, you kiss me just to kiss me, not to take me home. It was simple, you were sweetness, it was good to know. So I'll do that from the beginning, really slow for you. Oh yeah, and the intro is just this twice. It's just the beginning. I believe that's the intro. Hopefully. So that's a little intro. So the full song is just that over and over, except for the very end. You have a little blip where you are at. Depollute me, gentle angel, and I'll feel the sickness less and less. Come and kiss me, pretty baby. You're just gonna go from come and kiss me, pretty baby, like we'll never have sex, and that's just straight from come and kiss me, pretty baby, straight to the 5, like we'll never have sex. So it's just the 5, 7, open, just like that. So I'll play that last little part one more time. Depollute me, gentle angel, and I'll feel the sickness less and less. Come and kiss me, pretty baby, like we'll never have sex. Ooh. So that's basically the whole thing. Yeah, so I'll just do the intro, one verse, and then the chorus, and then finish it out. I'm not gonna do the whole song, but I'll just like the parts that you need. Okay. Depollute me, pretty baby, suck the rot right out of my bloodstream. Oh, dilute me, gentle angel, water down what I call being grateful. Oh, you kiss me just to kiss me, not to take me home. It was simple, it was sweetness, it was good to know. Depollute me, pretty baby, and I'll feel the sickness less and less. Come and kiss me, pretty baby, like we'll never have sex. Woo! So that is the full video. It's pretty easy. If you want to hear me sing it, it'll also be in the eye. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next week. Comment down below what you want to see next. These are my socials. Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.